Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to make slime. So basically today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime because somebody told me they wanted to make it for my cousin. So let's get to it. How to make slime. First you will need glue. Elmer's glue works best, but you can use any kind. Just make sure it's glue, not wood glue. Just saying, you cannot use wood glue. If you use wood glue, it will not work. Don't use like those glues. Just make sure to use like glue, craft glue, stuff that works. You can use anything. And you could just add the color in your slime if you want. How to make slime. You can use Tide. Just do not use powdered Tide or it will not work. Did you guys hear me? This is powdered Tide. It is not going to work. Only liquid Tide works, but I'm not sure if you can put some of this in water. It might not work. You guys can try, but I'd stick with using this. This works best, because if you put this in your slime, this powdered Tide, it is going to make it as hard as a rock. So nope, and this is a yes. Or, how to make slime. You can use borax, too. Just get hot water and put half a spoon of borax. So you're just going to get a water bottle, right? And you're going to make sure it's hot. Not boiling hot, but it got to be hot to work. And then you're going to need some borax. And you're just going to put a little bit of borax in the water, just like a half a spoon. Shake it up and then make a hole. Then you can pour it in the glue. Okay, so how to make slime. Then you put the glue in a bowl. So you're going to make sure to get your glue and put it inside a bowl. Or a cup or whatever you have. Okay, and get your Tide or borax. So make sure to get your Tide or borax out. And only put little by little until you get your slime. So you're going to get some of that. And then let's just say you get some of your borax or just Tide. And then you're going to put just a teeny bit. And then you're going to mix it. And then you're going to put more. And then you're going to mix it. So you're just going to keep on putting and putting until you mix it good, okay? So make sure to go ahead and just mix it little by little. Keep on mixing it. Pour some Tide or borax. Pour the activator. Mix, mix, mix. And then that's how you make slime. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed how to make slime. I hope it turns out for you. So just make any texture. Have fun. Create what you can. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every single time I post a new video. Thanks for watching.